Hello and welcome to my free video training series for dance teachers called The Top 3 Ways That Dance Teachers Can Make Money Online. I'm so glad that you're here. This is a big deal. This means that you're thinking differently than a lot of dance teachers. You're thinking about how you can start building wealth, right? Building a legacy, getting out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle, and you don't want to be a starving artist, right? And you're not meant to be a starving artist. So that's why you're here, and I'm so thankful, so glad that you are here with me for this video training series. Now, I want you to know that there are some ways that you can make money online today that did not exist 5 years ago, and that certainly didn't exist 10 years ago. So you are actually joining a very powerful and growing movement of dance teachers who are utilizing social media, who are utilizing the internet, their phones, and all of these tools that we have, apps and different things, to start generating additional income as a dance teacher using your knowledge, your training, your education, and your experience as a dancer. And it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So just before we get into this, I want to let you know who I am and why I know how to make money online. And it's because I've been doing it for quite some time. But I want to give you a little bit of background on me very quickly and then tell you what to expect from this video training series. So my name is Ashanae Mfuko. I am the CEO of Ashanae Mfuko Consulting Worldwide LLC, and I'm a business marketing and money strategist for the dance industry. Now, of course, I'm also a professional dancer and dance teacher, just like you. So I started my first online business back in 2007. It was a dance teacher staffing agency, and I would employ tons of dance teachers and choreographers all over the tri-state area, New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey, and provide dance studios and dance organizations and arts organizations and schools with the dance teachers that they needed for their classes and for their programs. So that was my first online business. Wow, that was a long time ago. Aging myself a little bit here, excuse me. And I sold my first digital product back in 2012. This was an ebook called Finance Your Dance. And if you've been following me on social media, then you know I have an elite membership program for dancers and dance business owners and dance teachers called Finance Your Dance Academy. And that program grew from that first ebook that I published back in 2012. So what I do is I help dancers and dance teachers and dance business owners stop trading dollars for hours and start making money online. So I am the founder of Finance Your Dance Academy and also Video Mastery Academy, where I teach you how to use online videos to convert your fans and followers into paying customers and to grow an online brand that is powerful and profitable. So through all of my programs and my coaching and consulting work, through my webinars, my goal is to empower you with the knowledge and the skills and the tools, the resources, and the strategies, because you need to have a strategy to use your God-given gifts and talents as a dance teacher to create multiple streams of passive income online. That's what it's all about. So in this free video training series, what we're going to do is talk about some ways that you can take what you're already doing. What you're already doing. You're already on your phone all the time, every day. You're already on Instagram and on Facebook, right? And on social media. You may or may not be creating videos, okay? Whether it's videos from your dance classes, videos of yourself, whatever the case may be. I'm going to take what you're already doing and show you how you can do that, but monetize it. Do the same thing and start making more money and bringing in additional income into your households, into your family. You know, this is really important if you want to create a better quality of life. So that's what I'm going to teach you in this free video training series. Today's video, I just want you to be aware of an offer that I have, okay, before we even get into it, because I'm going to break down 3 ways that you can make money online. But what if you're like, Ashanae, I need to make some money right now, girlfriend. I need to make some extra money today. What you got for me? So you're going to get some videos over the next few days of this video training series. But if you're saying, Ashanae, I need to make some money right now today, I want to invite you to take advantage of my money-making business bundle for dancers. Now, in this business bundle, I am giving you 2 webinars. These are 2 of my most popular webinar replays. How to create 7 streams of income as a dancer, and 7 ways to make extra money this summer as a dancer. These 2 webinars are normally $97 each, okay? But in my business bundle, the special deal that I have especially for you, you can purchase them for just $19 today. So again, if you're saying, Ashani, I'm excited for this free video training series, I'm into it, I can't wait to learn from you, but I really need to figure out some ways to make some extra money, like right now today, I'm going to put a link below so that you can purchase my money-making business bundle for dancers. It's only $19 for a limited time, okay, versus a $97 normal price. So I highly, highly recommend you purchase this bundle of these 2 webinars. You're going to learn a lot. It's going to open your eyes to some possibilities that you never even considered before. And it's going to teach you some ways that you can start making some extra money starting right now, today, okay? So make sure you get those, click on the link below to access that, and then look out for my email tomorrow, which will be the first video in our free video training series teaching you the top 3 ways that dance teachers can make money online. Okay? See you in the next video. Okay, I'll see you in the video tomorrow. All right, I will see you in tomorrow's video.